I'm Scott. Today I'm going to show you how to make pudding. We're going to make banana cream Jell-O pudding. This is instant pudding. Step 1, gather all your ingredients and equipment. These are 4 half cups. Here's my liquid measuring cup, my large bowl, my whisk. You need a balloon whisk, and cold milk. Step 2, on the instructions it says to pour 2 cups of cold milk. So let's do that. And pour it into the bowl. Make sure none of it splashes out and make sure all of it gets in. The second step is you open the box and take out the mix. It's in a little packet so it doesn't get all messed up in the box. Rip it open and pour it in like this. Make sure you get all of the mix in. Then you take the whisk and whisk it all up for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to pour the pudding into the dessert cups. You use this to put it in. You can use anything you want. I have a ladle, but you can use basically anything. Spoon, whatever you want. So I'll put it in like this and carefully pour it in. Make sure none falls out. And do the same thing until all 4 cups are filled. And make sure you don't miss any when you think the bowl is empty. Make sure to scrape the sides to see if you can get any more pudding out of it. Make sure all of them get an equal amount. If it's a little more, just take a spoon and scoop it out into the next one to make sure it's all right. After you think all of it is out, still check. So take a spatula and scrape all the pudding out of it into the last cup to make sure you get all of it and it's all an equal amount. After you're sure all of the pudding is off of the ladle, drop the ladle into a sink like this. After you put the ladle in the sink, make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl down with the spatula to make sure you get all the pudding. Scrape it down and take the bowl and do this so that you can scrape it in with the spatula. Make sure you get all of it. In the time it took us to make the pudding has already been soft set for 5 minutes. So it's ready to eat. Yum! If you want to know how easy making pudding is, this is the first time I've ever made pudding. I hope you like watching me make pudding. Bye!